So next proof number 24. Prove that integral 1 by root over x square minus 1 by root over x square minus 1 into dx is equal to ln modulus x plus root over x square minus 1 plus c, where x less than minus 1 or where x less than minus 1 or x greater than 1. Okay, so here we have to prove integral 1 by root over x square minus 1 into dx. Integral of this function is equals to ln modulus of x plus root over x square minus 1 plus c, where x less than minus 1 or x greater than 1. Okay, why x less than minus 1 and x greater than 1? Why not we include the values in between minus 1 to 1? Here it clearly given that x value must be either less than minus 1 or more than plus 1. So we cannot include values in between minus 1 to plus 1. Minus 1 to plus 1, including minus 1 plus 1, including minus 1 plus 1. Why? So what will happen if I consider x value in between minus 1 and plus 1? If I consider x value in between minus 1 plus 1, what will happen? So ఏమవుతుంది అసలు తీసుకుంటే ఏమవుతుంది? Let us consider 0. Put x is equal to 0 here. Put x is equal to 0 here. Let us see what will happen. So if x is equal to 0, 0 square means 0. 0 minus 1. 0 minus 1 minus 1. Square root of minus 1. See, in real number system, square root of negative number is not defined. Square root of negative number is not defined. Real number system lo square root of negative number is not defined. Okay, na? But in case of complex number system lo square root of minus 1 means iota. I is equal to root over minus 1, I square equal to minus 1. Okay, anyhow, in real number, if I talk about real, if we consider real number system, square root of negative number is not defined. Square root of negative number is not defined. Okay, so define avadam ledhu ikkada value, square root value define avadam, then logarithm of this function is not defined. Okay, so that's why x must be less than minus 1 or greater than 1. అయితే less than minus 1 అయినా అవ్వాలి లేదా greater than 1 అయినా అవ్వాలి, ఈ two conditions. Okay, so let us prove this formula first. So anyhow, you will know why we consider x less than minus 1, x greater than 1. ఎందుకు x less than minus 1 తీసుకోవాలి, greater than 1 ఎందుకు తీసుకోవాలో అర్థమైంది. సో నెక్స్ట్ ముందు ప్రూఫ్ చేద్దాం. యాజ్ యూజువల్ see, let us consider LHS. LHS is equal to what? Integral 1 by root over x square minus 1 into dx. Okay, so we have to prove this. ln ఇది ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి. Similarly, see, as usual, here x square minus 1 is there. I'm going to discuss one identity. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to what? 1. Okay, transpose tan square theta. Secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Now transpose plus 1. Positive becomes negative. Secant square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square. Okay, so secant square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. Look at this denominator. Okay, expression under this square root, x square minus 1. Here we have secant square theta minus 1. These two are similar, see, but in place of x we have secant square theta. Okay, so let us consider let x is equals to secant theta. Let us consider x is equals to secant theta. So x place lo నేను ఏం తీసుకున్నాను, secant theta తీసుకున్నాను. For example, if x is equal to secant theta, what will be the value of tan theta? What will be the value of tan theta? x secant theta అయితే నేను x ప్లస్ లో secant theta తీసుకున్నాను. Now what is the value of tan theta? See, here secant theta ratio is secant theta, x is equal to secant theta means secant theta is equal to what? Secant theta is equal to x can be written as x by 1. So secant theta is the ratio of x and 1. Okay. So let us consider a right angle triangle. Okay. Why? Because all trigonometric functions are valid for right angle triangle. All are derived from right angle triangle only. So okay. So in 90 degrees, let us consider right angle triangle ABC. Side opposite to right angle is called hypotenuse. So let us consider this is angle theta. Side opposite to theta is opposite side, and this is the remaining side is adjacent side. Here secant theta is equal to formula hypotenuse by adjacent. Hypotenuse x by adjacent 1. Hypotenuse x adjacent 1. How do we get opposite side? We need here opposite side కావాలి. So ఏ ఫార్ములా అప్లై చేస్తాం? వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫార్ములా, Pythagoras theorem. Apply Pythagoras theorem. According to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equals to opposite side square plus adjacent side square. Hypotenuse square is equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. Okay na? Now I am going to find length of side BC, opposite side. So according to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to opposite square plus AC. Hypotenuse means AC. AC square is equals to opposite square means BC square plus adjacent means AB square. AC square hypotenuse x square, BC square 1 plus AB square 1 square, transpose 1 square, you will get x square minus is equal to BC square. Okay. Now apply square root on both sides. You will get plus or minus sign. Plus or means root over x square minus 1 equal to root over BC square root get cancelled. BC is equal to, here we have plus or minus sign. If we apply square root, we will get positive sign and negative sign. We will get two solutions actually. But here plus or minus. So actually in right angle triangle, AB, BC, AC are length of sides. Length is always positive quantity. Length అనేది ఎప్పుడు పాజిటివ్, నెగిటివ్ లెంత్ ఉంటుంది మనకి ఎప్పుడు కూడా. సపోజ్ మనం let us consider length in mm or centimeters. Generally we say length of scale or length of some bar, metal bar, so or length of some box. ఎలా చెప్తాం length? 2 centimeters, 2 millimeters, 2 meters. So నెగిటివ్ ఉంటుంది ఎప్పుడు, పాజిటివ్ లెంత్ అనేది. So that's why we consider only positive sign. We neglect negative sign. So BC is equal to root over x square minus 1. BC is equal to root over x square minus 1. Therefore opposite side is root over x square minus 1 units. Okay. So now, we have done all these calculations to find tan theta. Now tell me what is the value of tan theta, ratio of tan theta. Tan theta is equal to what? Tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. Opposite how much? Just now we calculated. Opposite root over x square minus 1 by adjacent ఎంత మనకి 1 unit. So therefore tan theta is equal to how much? Root over x square minus 1. Okay na? Secant theta is equal to x. Okay. Why we calculated tan theta? Okay na? First of all, let us consider LHS. Again, let me write LHS once again. LHS equals to integral dx by root over x square minus 1. This is my LHS. We need formula for this. దీనికి మనకు formula కావాలి. Okay. So okay. Let's proceed further. Next ఏం చేయాలో చూద్దాం. So we consider x is equals to ఏం తీసుకున్నాం? Secant theta అని తీసుకున్నాం. Okay na? Now apply derivative on both sides with respect to theta. Apply derivative on both sides with respect to theta. So d by derivative of x with respect to theta is equal to derivative of secant theta with respect to theta. D by d theta, d by d. So this is dx by d theta. Derivative of secant theta with respect to theta. So secant theta ki derivative emotundi? Secant theta tan theta. Secant theta tan theta. Now transport d theta. Dx is equals to secant theta tan theta. Okay, now this is the expression for dx. Now look at this expression. Integral dx what? Secant theta tan theta by root over x square minus 1 root over into d theta. So here division becomes multiplication. You will get d theta also. So d theta by whole divided by root over x square minus 1. Root over x square minus 1 is equal to what? Tan theta. Tan theta. Tan theta, tan theta get cancelled. At the final you will get integral secant theta d theta. Integral secant theta d theta. What is the formula for integral secant x dx? Integral secant x dx formula into ln modulus secant x plus tan x plus c. Now integral secant theta d theta. So integral secant x dx. What is the formula for integral secant x dx? ln modulus secant x plus tan x plus c. Okay. Here we have theta. In terms of theta, we will get answer ln secant theta plus tan theta plus c. Okay. Now where c is called integration. Integrate. Okay. Now c is called constant of integration. Okay. Or integrating constant. ln secant theta. What is the actual value of secant theta? Secant theta is equal to what? X plus. What is tan theta? Tan theta value root over x square minus 1 plus c. Remember where square root of negative number is not defined. So where x must be less than minus 1 or greater than 1. Therefore integral 1 by root over x square minus 1 dx is equal to ln modulus x plus root over x square minus 1 plus c. Okay, na? Where x less than minus 1 and or x greater than 1. Okay.